So let's be honest, are you really using your car for what it's really made for? Well, the car behind me is the Audi A3. Chances are you probably never did what I'm about to do. Did you know the vehicle it can launch itself? I did it yesterday. I didn't expect for this one to do it, which is an A3 45 sedan Quattro, but I'm going to go in and show you exactly how to do that. Now, at the same time, I'm also going to show you how fast the vehicle is. Within showing you how fast the vehicle is, I will also show you how fast it can actually get off the line. Now, get off the line, if you could imagine, you know, a track star whatsoever coming out of the starting blocks once they hear the whistle at the Olympics or whatsoever. Same thing here. That's exactly what launch is. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So kick back, enjoy, and if you ever need to get away from things, you have the necessary power to do it. So this is the 2019 Audi A3 Sedan 45. This has got the 228 horsepower. Here's an interesting fact about Audi. As I'm learning, is launch control is primarily on a majority of their vehicles. Now this just has the S-Line package, premium package, so it's got a couple packages on it. You can see the addition of the wheels, LED wrap. But what I want to get into is how to engage the launch control, which an interesting factor about these particular vehicle. It does have the Quattro, which assures the grip. So there's a couple things you got to have, Quattro being one, in order to have the launch control, or a real launch control, as I put it. But I want to show you exactly how to engage that. So the vehicle's already running. Once you're inside your vehicle, it's actually quite simple. So once you're inside your vehicle, you definitely want to make sure your vehicle's on first and foremost. You can see automatic start stop has been turned off or disengaged. All you want to do is come to the center console, drive select. Now I'm going to bounce out a bit. Every time I push this down, drive select shift, we want to shift the dynamic, and then from there, traction control. Now notice here, we want to press down once, and we're going to go back to the center screen. So I want to continue to press. So you can see stability control warning, limited stability. It had traction control, stability control has been turned off, and that puts it in sport. Second thing I want to do is come here and pull it back into drive. And I want to pull back. Now you can see the little bump back there. Now you'll notice mask hanging everywhere. Let me explain that. This is coronavirus, quarantine, stay at home. I'm not at home, of course, because I'm bringing you this insightful information, but just push back. When you push back, you can see here, bottom left of the wheel, it's in drive now. So now you have it. I'm going to pull back. Now I'm going to take you back to the center screen, because from there, just going to go into sport mode. So now I'm in sport mode. From here, both hands on the wheel, one hand on the wheel. And if I go down, you can't see that because of the mask, but you can see a little bit of my shoes. I want to hold my foot on the brake, brakes all the way to the floor. Now at the same time, I want to press the gas. Now you can see my RPMs here. An interesting fact, now notice the RPMs. You want to get it up to about 3 RPMs, but notice the RPMs will go up to 3 there. Right at about 2.5 and it'll start to flutter. So you want to hold it there. And at the same time, you want to release the brake, and you're into your gas. That is launch control, folks. You can see it there. I'm up at 60. 80 miles per hour, just like that. So that's what you're looking at when you're talking about launch control. On the Audi 2019 Audi A3 45. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to show you different variations of that as well. So we'll go back and try that again, of course. So once you have the brake pressed down, raise your RPMs. Once it starts to flutter, just release. That's launch control, folks. Just like that, 80 miles per hour. So if you're wondering how to launch your vehicle, that is it. Take time to fully control your automobile, enjoy your automobile, and have fun with it.